The novel coronavirus has now infected more than 245,000 people around the world, and more than 10,000 have died from it. It now has many pharmaceutical companies trying to develop an effective vaccine to protect people against the virus, including this company in California.
Right now, there's, 2 billion people in the world that would love access to a coronavirus vaccine. In fact, I can't think of a situation in the history of the pharmaceutical industry where the demand has been so high for a specific product.
There's a mutuality and there's a recognition of our interdependence that requires of this moment that we direct a statewide order for people to stay at home.
We need everyone to be safe. Otherwise, no one can be safe.
The state of California ordered on Thursday all 40 million residents to stay at home, and New York followed suit. The governor of New York State said Friday all workers and non-essential businesses have to remain at home. The governor of California, Gavin Newsom, warned that more than half the state could contract the virus in the next 8 weeks. More than 13,000 people in the U.S. have contracted COVID-19. Friday marks the second day in a row that China found 0 domestically transmitted cases of COVID-19 that came out of Hubei province late last year. China's imported cases, however, have risen to record numbers, more than 220 in total. Britain has asked 65,000 former nurses and doctors to come back to work to help fight the coronavirus crisis. The country has also offered final-year medical students and student nurses the chance to help the National Health Service during the pandemic. There are more than 3,000 cases of COVID-19 in the UK. The coronavirus outbreak has not stopped Australians from hitting the beach. Despite restrictions on outdoor gatherings larger than 500 people, thousands crowded Sydney's Bondi Beach on Friday as temperatures reached into the mid-30 degrees Celsius. Australia has more than 700 cases of COVID-19.
Well, we don't normally have this sort of temperature, so I think people are taking advantage of the hot weather while they can, and a lot of people are being stuck indoors, so they probably think, I'll take my chance and go for a swim. But at the same time, I just think, well, here we are supposed to be excluding ourselves from big crowds. It sort of doesn't make sense.
Anyone? If anyone is thinking, taking any chances, just take a look at me. I'm in the intensive care unit. I can't breathe without this.
From her hospital bed in Uxbridge, England, Tara Langston recorded this video, and it has since gone viral. The 39-year-old was in what her sister calls normal health before she was diagnosed with COVID-19. Langston warned all viewers to be cautious about their health.
Please, none of you take any chances. I mean it. Because if it gets really bad, then you're going to end up here.
Her husband says she is now out of the hospital and is recovering well. Thanks for watching Global News. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.